Hi, welcome to Physics Made Easy with me, Erica. And today we are going to talk about Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion. Does it ring a bell? If not, let's have fun and learn at the same time. Come on, vámonos! The first law of motion is the law of inertia. The first law of motion states that a certain object will remain in its states, whether at rest or in motion, unless an external force acted upon it. Let's say, for example, so I got a marker here, a simple marker, and I'm going to place here in the table. As you can see, the marker doesn't move at all. It doesn't move, but I am going to apply an external force. And there, it moves, but it stopped because there is another external force, and that is what you call the frictional force, because this pen is in contact with the table. The second law of motion is the law of acceleration. This law states the relationship between the force, mass, and acceleration. The force acting in an object is equal to the mass of the object times the acceleration. There's an example.
Okay, for our second example, we have for the second law of motion, which is the law of acceleration. Here you can see two different sizes of books. See here, a smaller book and a bigger book. And you know, size is somehow directly proportional to the mass. So you can see there a less massive book and a more massive book. So applied with the same force, let's see the speed or acceleration of the two books. Do it again. Trial 2. Acted with the same force, the smaller book moved forward, moved more distance because the acceleration is inversely proportional with its mass, acted with the same force. But if you apply more force to the bigger book, it will move faster because acceleration is directly proportional to its force.
And lastly, the third law of motion, the law of interaction. It states there that in every action, there is always an equal and opposite reaction. Or, you have to leave something behind in order for you to move on.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.